We're also following breaking news out of Minneapolis this morning.
Yeah, crews battling a large fire. This is in Uptown. It's where we find our Barrett Leone live along Grand Avenue South. Barrett, we see the fire trucks behind you. Bring us up to scene as far as what's going on.
Yeah, AJ, Heather, we just got here really moments ago, but I will tell you, pulling up to the scene, we immediately smelled smoke. It's even staining my eyes now. We sort of have a rare up-close look at a situation like this. The good news I want to tell you first is that no one was inside this building here, but I want to point you to the top of this ladder. You can see they're still actively working to knock down this fire. We know that there is a partial roof collapse. I'm going to have photojournalist John Murphy zoom in as much as we can because we were still seeing some embers, just moments ago. It's a combination of smoke and really just poor conditions. So that's a lot of, that impacts a lot of what these fire crews are dealing with too. We know that the wind has really taken a toll and built this fire, which made it a little harder to knock down here. I just spoke with a firefighter just moments ago. He says they'll probably be here for a while. But again, the good news here is that no one was inside the building. Of course, we're working to gather more information as this flame gets knocked down.
Oh gosh, those conditions out there look terrible.
All right, Barrett Leone live for us in South Minneapolis, the scene of a fire right now as crews working to get that thing under control. Just think about the elements that they're dealing with too.
Absolutely.
We see it right now.
We could hardly even see the top of that building at that one point when all the snow was coming back up. But first, we do want to follow breaking news out of Minneapolis this morning.
So crews are battling a large fire in Uptown. This is where we find our Barrett Leone live along Grand Avenue South. Barrett, do you have some good news for us this morning?
Yes, we do have some good news. Majority of this fire has been knocked down by Minneapolis fire crews. That aerial ladder that was spouting water out just a half hour ago, that's no longer doing that. So fire crews are now attacking from the ground. And if you listen, you can still hear that water being thrown onto the flame. They'll be here for a while, we're told, just making sure that those rekindlings of flame that we were seeing, within the last few minutes still are out. And obviously it's hard to see the house at times between smoke, between these conditions, these elements, the blowing wind and snow. So fire crews are really facing a lot of issues here. There is a little a worry, a fear of the building collapsing. The good news is, though, that it is abandoned, we're told. So no one was inside. Injuries should be clear. But, of course, these elements, it makes a whole nother challenge of putting out this fire. I was talking to one firefighter a few minutes ago, and he's just ice over his helmet. So really just these are tough elements, and it's brutal out here. So they're doing their job, and they're doing it well.
Barry, we're actually looking at you right now because you've been out there for, I don't know how long, an hour. An hour now. And we can see how much snow is built up on you. So that snow continues to fall. So even your outfit helps to tell the story too as well.
Right. All right. Well, Barrett.
Yeah. I feel like an ice breaking off me. So it's one of those mornings.
And just think about firefighters having to deal with those conditions.
All right. Stay safe out there, Barrett. We'll check back in with you in a bit. We are following breaking news out of Minneapolis this morning.
We know crews spent the morning battling a large fire. This is in Uptown. It's where we find our Barrett Leone live along Grand Avenue South. So, Barrett, it looks like the fire is out, which is the good news, but the cleanup, that's when it starts. And we know this weather, it has been very unforgiving this morning.
Oh my goodness, it sure has. I mean, you could just see that snow whacking me in the face. It's impacting crews here. We just had crews coiling up hoses here. They've since moved, but that was a chore in itself. I mean, the hoses were covered in snow. Water likes to freeze, right? So a lot of elements impacting this. I want to point you to what the house looks like now. It appears that everything is clear, but we did see a flame pop up, just a few minutes ago. So crews are quick. They got that out as soon as it appeared, at least that's what it felt like. And they're quick. But yes, this cleanup is a chore. These conditions are unforgiving. It's brutal. The wind is whipping. Lots of snow still here, and it's piling up, which of course is making things difficult here as well. But again, no one was inside the home. The fire is, for the most part, out this morning.
Barrett, we still don't know how that fire started, do we?
No, we do not. We do not have that information just yet. Of course, when we do, we'll be sure to update our website, WCCO.com.
All right, Barrett Leone reporting for us from Uptown this morning. Thank you.